I'm gonna cough again.
So that. Oh my gosh! Would he stop?
I got a cold. Should be getting over it. I don't know what's going on.
You know, you need more basil. Get some
You
basil
get
in
another
the
piece of
sinuses.
something. Give this man a
Get
piece
some-
of basil.
I got a little tickle
Get
in my
some
throat.
basil. Up
Great.
the sinuses will
Great.
clear you
That
up.
that
All right.
basil's nice, right?
And basil.
We're having a little bit of an issue between the two of us as hosts.
It's not an issue.
From the
It
first
is what it
episode,
is.
I haven't.
What's your thoughts on
I haven't went an
somebody
episode
just
yet
letting it
where I either
rip
coughed or
and-
sneezed. What are you supposed to do?
Well, how do you? Well, let me ask you.
he
How do
did
you?
yell
How do you
I
control?
don't even care. Make it work. Hold it in.
How do you hold in a sneeze?
I don't care.
I sneezed politely away in my elbow. Yeah, I'm
Just
struggling. You know how
happens,
hard it was? My left eye was actually like twitching and closing, trying to hold that cough in for about 5 minutes. So I really had no choice but to let it go,
Well,
and I knew I'd get yelled at for
I
it.
appreciate your consideration.